Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare romaine hearts. First, select fresh, crisp heads with vibrant green leaves and no brown spots. Next, carefully separate each leaf and wash them thoroughly under cool, running water. This removes any dirt or grit. Finally, use a salad spinner or gently pat the leaves dry with paper towels to ensure they are completely free of moisture before moving on. Once your romaine is clean and dry, it's time to trim and chop. Begin by removing any outer leaves that look damaged or discolored. Then, trim about 1/2 inch from the bottom of the core. This helps the remaining leaves separate easily. Now, stack a few leaves together and chop them into your desired bite-sized pieces, typically 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide, perfect for salads. To keep your prepared romaine hearts fresh, proper storage is key. After washing and drying, place the leaves in an airtight container lined with a paper towel. This helps absorb excess moisture and prevents wilting. Store this container in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. When stored correctly, your romaine hearts will stay wonderfully crisp and fresh for up to 5 days, ready for your next meal. Romaine hearts are incredibly versatile and delicious. They make a fantastic base for almost any salad, providing a satisfying crunch. You can also use the larger, whole leaves as a healthy, low-carb option for wraps, filling them with your favorite proteins and vegetables. Try pairing your romaine with a zesty vinaigrette, some grilled chicken, and a sprinkle of cheese for a quick and nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.